evening. My name is Harshita Gala and he's my husband Rahul Gala. We stay at Juhu and he's our 4.5 months old son Priyansh Gala.
Priyansh.
Hi Priyansh, say hi. Say hi.
So we have bought this Hungry Brain set. This is a 12 months course where each week we have these 11 cards which we need to show our kids, and we have bought this when he was almost 10 to 12 days old, and we have started from we have started these cards that early. So there are these one poster which we need to stick at the walls on both the sides, and which is just black and white blocks, and whenever he used to cry, he used to look at the poster and used to literally stop crying. That had a great impact on our kid.
So after that also, whenever we have shown him the flashcards, so he starts reacting and responding to those flashcards. In fact, right now he is too excited to see at those cards. So whenever we show him the cards, he starts actually bubbling and dancing.
Yeah, he gives a great response. Like, generally people think कि इतने छोटे age में how will the kids understand? But according to our experience, our son has we have seen a lot of changes in him, and we are really happy with that. And we make sure that we give so much of time to our kid for his education and his upliftment of his physical and mental status. And one more great thing is that in this way we connect to our kid. That is a new thing, how we play with the kid. Generally we play with toys, we show them poems, but this is a new way how you can connect with your kid. So that is something which we really like. Thank you so much Hungry Brain, and I would suggest all the parents who are seeing this video to please invest in your kid and show them this. This is going to be a great future for the kid and the parents too.
When you just share that you could see the difference. So what are the difference that you saw? What are the observations that you had? Where you can say there are two ways. The parent would say, are you forcing the baby? And that you were saying that you can see baby is excited.
Kids, when they cry or something, we show them different things and stop. But immediately when we show them these cards, he just stops crying and he's engrossed in that. So that makes our son different from the other kids.
In fact, this activity, it's not a very, it's not a burden for him. He enjoys doing this. So whenever the flashcards are in front of him, he will actually enjoy, he will watch, and he will watch each and every card very, patiently, and he will actually enjoy the cards.
Thank you.